Very good morning to one and all. I am Manisha Ji, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, RMD Engineering College. And now we are going to see in Unit 2 about architecture of GSS system. Already we have seen about what is GSM and what is the contents of GSM. Now, GSM is a public LAN mobile network. Several providers set up mobile networks following the GSM standard within each country. Components, mobile station, base station, mobile switching center, location register. Subsystem, radio subsystem covers all radio aspects, network and switching subsystem, call forwarding, handover switching, operation subsystem, management of network. Ingredients, mobile phones, PDA and co, antennas, infrastructure like microwave base station cabling, infrastructure management database switching unit. GSM architecture covers all these radio subsystem, network subsystem, operation subsystem. And this is the architecture diagram of GSM. How radio subsystem working, networking, and operating system. The radio subsystem components, mobile station, base station subsystem consisting of base transceiver station, sender and receiver, base station controller controlling several transceivers. Interfaces, radio interface, KB standardized open interface with 16 kbits per second user channel, standardized open interface with 64 kilobytes user channel. Radio subsystem comprises the cellular mobile network up to radio switching entries, components, mobile station, base station subsystem, base transceiver station, radio components including sender receiver antenna. If directed antenna are used, one BTS can cover several cells. Base station controller switching between BTS, controlling BTS, managing of network resources, mapping of radio channel. BSS is equal to BSC plus sum of BTS plus interconnection. The mobile station consists of mobile equipment, subscriber identity mobile. System stores all specific data that is relevant to GS permanent and temporary data about the mobile, the subscriber, and the network, including international mobile subscriber identity, MS, ISDN number of subscriber, authentication key and algorithm for authentication check, charging information, list of subscribed services, personal identity number, PIN and PIN unblocking key, temporary location information while logged in. Temporary location information may be clocked into different location area identification. The mobile equipment has a unique international mobile equipment identity which is used for the theft protection. Without SM, only emergency calls are possible. For GSM, 900 ms transmits power of up to 2 volts. For GSM, 1800 1 volts due to smaller size. MS can also have other components and services for the user. There are non-GSM feature. Base station subsystem. GSS network comprises of BSS. The BSS performs all the function necessary to maintain radio connection to MS. Base station subsystem is composed of two parts that communicate across the standardized ABs. Interfacing allowing operation between components made by different suppliers. BSC, one or more base transceiver station. BTS contains radio transmitter, receiver, signal processing and control equipment, antenna and feeder cables. The purpose of BTS is to provide radio access to the mobile system, manage the radio aspects of the system, encode, encrypt, multiplex, modulate, and feed RF signals to the antenna, frequency hopping, communicate with the mobile station and BSC. BSC allocates the channel for the duration of a call, maintains the call, monitoring quality, controlling the quality, generating a handover. NSS is the main component and the heart of the GSM, connects a wireless network with standard public network, performs handover between different BSS, supports roaming of user between different providers in different countries, performs function for worldwide localization of user, charging and billing information, accounting information. Mobile Services Switching Center, MSC, Gateway Mobile Switching Center, Database, Home Location Register, Visitors Location Register. Mobile Services Switching Center, MSC are high performance digital ISDN switches. They set up and control connections to other MSCs and to BSC via the A interface. They form the backbone network of a GSM. Typically, an MSC manages several BSC in a geographical region, controls all connections via separated network to and from a mobile terminal with the domain of MSC. Functions of MSC: switching calls, controlling calls, and logging calls. Specific functions for paging and call forwarding, mobile specific signals, mobility management over the radio network and the network, radio resource management, handover between BSC, billing information, location register and forwarding of location information, providing of new services, support of short message, generation of forwarding of accounting and billing information, interferences with PSTN, ISTN, PSTN, PDN, interworking functions via gateway MSC, switching center. A particular about be assigned to act as a gateway mobile switching center. The operator may design more on one GMSC. Network location register in home location register. Most important database is GSM system. Store all user relevant information, permanent and semi-permanent. Static information such as mobile subscriber ISDN number, subscribed services, and the international mobile subscriber identity. XLR implementation, there is